Closing arguments are on the docket today in the trial of Karen Reed. The Massachusetts woman is charged with hitting and killing her boyfriend with her car and leaving him for dead. But Reed's lawyers are pointing the finger at law enforcement, saying police framed her for the murder of John O'Keefe. CBS News Boston reporter Penny Kmitt is outside the courthouse in Dedham, Massachusetts, following this for us. Penny, what is each side arguing in closings?
Well, before we started with any closing arguments, one of the jurors was actually dismissed. So just a quick note that right now there's 14 jurors, 12 of them will actually make a decision in this case. When it came to the closing arguments this morning, the two sides really could not have been more different. Karen Reed's attorneys did not leave room for any confusion. They say she is framed, quote, period. They say that she is being framed as part of an elaborate police cover-up. And what made this morning kind of wild is that they named who they think John O'Keefe, her boyfriend's actual killers, were by name. And one of them was sitting with John O'Keefe's family in the courtroom. His name is Brian Albert. He's a Boston police officer who owned the home where John O'Keefe's body was found on the front lawn. They argue that John O'Keefe actually went inside of that home. He was beat up. He was even attacked by a dog. And then his body was later placed on the front lawn. And really any evidence that did point to Karen Reed, they tried to dismiss, saying that the lead investigator on the case was friends with the Albert family. But the prosecution argued that there was never any evidence in court shown of a cover-up because conversations about a cover-up never happened. They also told jurors, remember, Karen Reed, witnesses say, yelled, I hit him, shortly after his body was found. They say that that story has now changed over time. So again, two totally different stories. The prosecution saying that Karen Reed killed her boyfriend, hit him with her car. The defense saying this was all part of a cover-up because the lead investigator on the case was friends with the person who owned the home where the death happened.
You know, Penny, it looked like there was a big turnout at the courthouse today. What was happening and how is it different from other days?
Major turnout. I would say at least maybe 250 Karen Reed supporters outside. It's hard to see here because we've created a buffer zone. The Massachusetts State Police have been monitoring this area, so they can't come too close to the courthouse, but they are down the road all wearing pink. They're grilling out, they're cooking out, they're chanting, they're cheering. I mean, this is a huge turnout. I've never seen anything like this, especially not surrounding a murder trial. Yesterday, there was probably 200 people, and then people left after Karen Reed arrived in court. Today, they've all stayed. They've listened to the verdict together. There's even been confrontations with people who are on the other side of this trial, the police monitoring that very closely, but a huge turnout. I truly cannot over-exaggerate how massive the amount of people here is, and again, not like anything I've seen before.
Wow, a lot of interest in the case. Penny Kmitt, thank you.